With the Callmama virtual phone number, it's easy to call El Salvador for free. This guide will show you the simple steps to follow. Before making a call to El Salvador, make sure that your internet connection is stable and strong enough to handle a call internet connection. After dialing the country code, enter the El Salvador phone number you want to call. Be sure to include the area code before. With the Callmama virtual phone number, you can also enjoy additional features like call forwarding, voicemail, video conferencing. To ensure the best possible call quality, make sure to have a stable internet connection, use headphones or earphones, and avoid making calls. To start making free calls to El Salvador, you'll need to sign up for a Callmama virtual phone number. It's quick, easy, and affordable. Once you've signed up for a virtual phone number, download the Callmama app to your device. It is available for both Android and iOS devices. Callmama. Connecting people with loved ones.